welcome back to UT Studios. I'm Himanshi Tiwari joining you from the Great India Retail Summit 2025. Now, luxury shopping isn't just about buying premium brands, it is about the experience, the destination, and the impact on tourism and city infrastructure. With Mumbai set to embrace luxury outlet culture in a big way, what does it mean for shoppers, businesses, and even interstate travel? To break it all down, we have Prakash Patel, MD of Bhumi World, with us today. Prakash, thank you so much for joining
Thank
us.
you very much.
All right, on that note, Prakash, luxury outlets are a global phenomena now.
Right.
From Bicester Village in the UK to La Valais in France, how do you see Mumbai carving its own niche in this space?
So when you see the people of India travel to London, they go to Bicester Village for shopping. They go shopping for the two reason. One is they are getting good brands there, which is luxury, which are not there in India. Second, they are getting the discounts.
Yeah.
The discount is the biggest pull factor for the Indian shoppers who are going to the Thailand, where you see Thailand, there outlet mall called Siam Outlet Mall. One is in Bicester Village in London. You see New York, they have the Woodberries.
Yeah.
So there are almost 12 to 15 outlet malls where Indian people are going and buying there. Why not we should have in outlet mall, a luxury outlet mall in India? That was the aspiration for the Indian and Mumbai market, especially where people are coming from all over the India and coming to Bombay as a shopping destination, also with entertainment, with food, with luxury restaurants. When you see before 10 years, you see in Mumbai there was very few place where you can visit for the restaurants. Now it is hundred of the restaurants which are upcoming, and you are getting all the cuisine of the world in Mumbai, with the shopping, with the entertainment and everything.
All right, on that note, Prakash, a luxury outlet, as you were talking about, isn't just about shopping. It is also about tourism, infrastructure,
Right.
hospitality at the same time. And how do you see this shopping? The whole shopping experience that you're trying to create is basically shaping Mumbai's appeal as a shopping and travel destination.
So when you go to Dubai, you have Dubai Village Outlet Mall. You will see Top Golf Dubai there already, which is the plus point for the outlet village who are going for the shopping. They are getting the entertainment with the Top Golf. We also getting Top Golf here in Mumbai with the outlet villa, the mall which we are coming here.
Okay.
So that will be the biggest. You have seen the American Big Bounce, right? There are also there in which this all entertainment are new in India, which has not come to India right now. From last so many years, they are trying to come up with the market where they have the shopping destination as well as the entertainment. So we are getting Top Golf, you are the American Bounce. We are getting biggest race for the childrens as well as for the younger people. So we are going to give the destination for whole day, not only for the shopping, with the entertainment.
The budget 2025 sort of help the consumers in sort of increasing their disposable
Right.
incomes, right? And even the consumer aspirations are evolving at this
Right.
point in time. So do you think Indian shoppers are sort of ready for this large scale luxury outlet thing?
So basically, there are, like, if you have heard before that, only the upper class of people who are the people who are buying the luxury product. Now, after the budget to 2025, people have the good budget of luxury also. And if they are going to get the same luxury in outlet with the discount, it will give them better experience with the cost cutting value proposition with the outlet shopping destination.
All right. Many global luxury outlets thrive on international travelers
Right.
as well. So, how do you plan to attract both domestic as well as international tourists to this upcoming retail hub
So
that you're talking about?
we are going to create a marketing the thing where we are people who are coming from US, people who are coming from the London, they are also like taking place for the shopping in Mumbai. So we are going to attract them for the outlet also, where they will get the discounts with all almost 150 brands which we are having.
And also, as we are moving towards the end of the discussion, Prakash, beyond shopping, what kind of lifestyle experiences can we expect for the space that you're talking about?
Right.
And will luxury outlets in Mumbai also redefine entertainment or leisure or maybe food?
So basically, there are three aspects to run any outlet mall. One is the retail with the discount. Let it be little far from the city. Like people doesn't they have aspiration of going and travel for 1 hour from Bombay city. Like a Bombay, they love to travel. They love to go there. With the travel, they will get discounts in outlet mall for the retail shopping. With that, they are going to get the good fine dine. So we are
Hmm.
going to have 65 almost restaurants in there with good brands like Kiba, Allsend, which are there
Okay.
in Lower Parel. It is also there in our outlet.
Hmm.
So this how the evolving, and we are giving them the same experience how they are getting in Bista Village. So it is better than that. So we are going to create a European style outlet mall with the restaurant, with all the finance, with Italian, with Asian cuisine, with the Chinese and everything. So almost all the cuisine, all the good restaurant, all the good brands are coming there with the outlet mall.
All right. Not if not for retail, then you might come for food.
Yeah.
And also see the outlets out there.
Yes.
All right. Thank you so much, Prakash,
Thank you.
for being a part of this discussion. It was
Thank you.
wonderful talking to you. And luxury retail is no longer confined to high streets and malls. It is becoming an experience that blends fashion, travel, and lifestyle. Now, as Mumbai embraces this trend, it is set to redefine the way people shop and explore. And that's a wrap on this conversation. This is ET Studios joining you from GIRS 2025. Stay tuned for many more such insightful discussions.